Hi, today I'm Friday with Motorola Moto G13 and I'll show you how to customize always on display option on that device. So first let's just unlock our phone and open the Muviz application. After that, you'll see here all the available tabs. Just select one from these tabs which you like, tap to apply, then click to backgrounds if you wanna change them or just to apply the backgrounds to this tab. Just to select one from the tab which you like, you should just swipe to the up or to the down the screen, then tap to OK to apply. If you wanna change music controls section on your lock screen, to hide them after 10 seconds or just to don't hide them, you should just slide to the left or to the right side this bottom panel, this dot on this panel. If you wanna activate or turn off to show the notifications and date, you should use the switchers. And in battery section we can show the AD option status always while they were charging or just don't show it. So let's click to the 6 icon, switch AD to the settings and tap to always on display section. We can change also the shown on screen lock always on display option, just always while they were charging. When we'll play the music, we can also use them separately. We can also change the screen timeout from 1 minute to an hour, and to decrease or increase the brightness level of our device. If you want to close it with a double or single tap on the lock screen, you can also change it here. And if you use the fingerprint unlock method, you can turn on the switcher to close it with the fingerprint or on screen off. And if you want to set the schedule, the start and the end time of the always on display feature, you should tap to the switcher and select the times. And we can also disable the always on display option during the calls. So that's it. That's how to customize always on display option on our on Motorola Moto G13 device. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.